how to enable or disable high contrast text on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to display and brightness. In display and brightness below, you can see here the font and display size. You can tap this and scroll down and you can see here the high contrast text. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To enable or turn on the high contrast text, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And you can see the difference on text. Okay, change text color to black or white, maximize contrast with the background. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or turned on the high contrast text. And okay guys, to disable again or turn off, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side.